someone who works long hours, you work hard trying to get that bag, or you feel stressed, you feel drained, exhausted, you feel like you have a lot of negative energy around you, then this video is for you. The power of Dead Sea Salt and its transforming benefits has been somewhat hidden from you, and I'm here to give y'all that tea. So go and grab your biscuits. Dead Sea Salt originates from the lowest point in the earth that God created. And this is below sea level, where people can actually go. Salt is not just something that you sprinkle in your food. It's not just for salt day. Salt is a natural resource that the body needs because of the natural minerals that it has compacted it inside. So guys, before we continue this video, my name's Royal. This is my actual first live video of you seeing my face, so welcome. Please hit the red subscribe button to keep up with my channel, to keep up with new news and new videos that I'll be putting out over time. So you can join my amazing family that I'm trying to build on this platform, so we can connect with each other, so I can give you that tea that helped me transform my life, because I want to help you do the same. For all my subscribers that are already here, thank y'all. You guys are extremely appreciated, and thank you for keeping up with my videos, and thank you for connecting with me. So guys, if you want to feel more cleansed, happier and refreshed, then this video is for you. Sea salt is extremely popular for some people if you know how to use it, and it is packed with amazing benefits that will heal your mind, body and your skin. So let's think about the sea for a minute, the large ocean created by God. The same God that created me and you. Now, God created this sea for us, guys. We are the main characters on earth. God created all these resources for us to live and thrive off. So we need to make sure that we're utilizing it correctly. Think about when you go on a beach holiday, and don't worry if you haven't been on one yet. This is still news to your ears. You step out into the sea, you go for a swim or a little paddle around. And near enough within minutes, you feel refreshed, energized, you feel relaxed. This is not just because you're enjoying your holiday. Sorry, this is because water and salt combined create something so powerful, and this combination is something that all humans need. It's most definitely an essential to your life. Dead sea salt for your skin contains high levels of minerals that the body needs to survive, such as magnesium and sodium, and a lot more, trust me. It can boost your skin's health, as well as treat inflammation on the skin and other health conditions such as arthritis, psoriasis, eczema and so much more, providing you buy a good brand that provides natural and original Dead Sea Salt, not table salts. The minerals that are contained in Dead Sea Salt assist in cleansing, detoxifying and restoring a healthy status in the body, especially the skin and muscles. And this way you are able to revive yourself on a weekly and daily basis and just keep up with life. So we need to make sure that we are consistently renewing the state of our mind, body and soul. Dead Sea Salt also removes negative energy from the body. It allows you to feel much more positive, motivated and refreshed near enough instantly after each use. So if you ever feel like life is getting on top of you, just like it gets on top of all of us, then this is a great solution and cost-effective tip for you. How I use Dead Sea Salt and how it's helped me throughout my life is that I've run a bath, and I've put 2 to 3 handfuls of salt inside my bath. I evenly distribute the salt into the bath with my fingers, and I wait for it to dissolve. Once my bath is fully run, I will get inside, sit down and relax for a minimum of 20 minutes, and you should do the same. Now don't worry if you haven't got a bath. Salt has many uses to it, and I'm only using one right now. So you can turn salt into a scrub by putting salt into a bowl, mixing it with coconut oil so it turns into the right consistency. You can then rub that all over your body in the shower and rinse it back off again, and you will have the same results. Since salt is so powerful and it really transformed my life, I decided to turn this healing method into a business. You can take a look into my channel links under this video, where you will see the link for my Etsy store, Royalty Luxe, and you'll be able to buy yourself some salts or even give someone some salts who you feel needs to relax. You can help them discover the amazing healing benefits of salt. Do this and come back to this video, comment in the comment section and tell me your testimony. Tell me what happened. How did salts transform your life? Because you will not be disappointed. Guys, we have now reached the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to come back and give your testimony and your experience using Dead Sea Salt, not table salt. Give me a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can press the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video or some new news. And I'll see you guys in my next video.